Hey guys, good morning. I just want to say thank you. We actually did reach 800 subscribers. Super excited that we're here. Like I always said, I'm surprised that I even have more than one subscriber, which is crazy, and it's super cool because I actually have a lot of you guys commenting and engaging in YouTube, which I thought was kind of odd since most people were engaging with me on TikTok and stuff. And there's a lot of new people coming in on my YouTube and stuff. But thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers. Hopefully we can hit 900 subscribers soon, and then hopefully 1,000, and then maybe sometime in the future we can hit like 10,000 or something. That'd be crazy, man. But yeah, just like always, every 100 subs, I just kind of come on here and tell you guys thank you because I really do honestly appreciate it, and I'm super surprised at all the support that I'm getting and stuff. So, I hope everything that I post on here is kind of helpful to you guys. I really only post random stuff. I mean, I post things that I like. I'll post things that I like and stuff. And I'm just surprised that a lot of people actually, are willing to just kind of hang out for like the minute or 2 or 3 minutes that I talk and like listen to me and stuff, which is kind of crazy, right? But yeah, guys. I mean, seriously, thank you so much for all the support. You guys are fantastic. You guys are awesome. And have a really good, happy Thanksgiving, guys.